Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can adjust the suction power in the iRobot Roomba 405. So in the first step, select your map. Then choose the room or location. Now click on the gear icon next to your room. And as you can see, there we have the suction, there we have the quiet mode. Okay, sorry, summer book, so never mind. One more time. And now go to the settings. There we have the suction power, there we have the normal, the powerful and the max. Basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.